Good afternoon everyone. In this video lecture series, I am going to explain about MANET. MANET is nothing but a mobile ad hoc network, also called as a wireless ad hoc network or a ad hoc wireless network that usually has a routable networking environment on top of a link layer ad hoc network. So they consist of a set of mobile nodes connected wirelessly in a self-healing network without having a fixed infrastructure. MANET nodes are free to move randomly as the network topology changes frequently. Each node behaves as a router as it forwards traffic to other specified nodes in the network. MANET, it is a decentralized wireless network consisting of mobile devices that communicate with each other without relying on a fixed infrastructure. MANET forms a highly dynamic autonomous topology with the presence of one or more multiple different transceivers between the nodes. MANET consists of a peer-to-peer, self-forming, self-healing network typically at a radio frequencies. This can be used in road safety, ranging from sensors for the environment, home health, disaster rescue operations, air or land or navy defense, weapons, robots, etc. So the characteristics of MANET are dynamic topologies, bandwidth constrained, variable capacity links, energy constrained operation. Network topology, which is a typical multi-hop, may change randomly and rapidly with time. It can form unidirectional or bidirectional links. So this bandwidth constrained variable capacity links, which uses wireless links and has a lower reliability, efficiency, stability and capacity as compared to a wired network. Energy constrained operation is nothing but based on the nodes on batteries or exhaustible means for the energy. Mobile nodes are characteristics by less memory power and a lightweight features. So next one is a autonomous behavior and a limited security and less human intervention. Where less human intervention means it requires minimum intervention to configure the network, therefore they are dynamically autonomous in it. So these are the various routing protocols which is used: proactive, reactive and hybrid. This is mainly classified into three types, whereas proactive has a DSDV protocol and a GSR protocol, whereas reactive has a DSR and AODV protocol, and finally the hybrid is a TRP protocol. So proactive routing protocols, also called as a table driven routing protocols. Here each mobile node maintains a separate routing table which contains the information of the routes to all the possible destination mobile nodes. So the two types of this are a destination sequenced distance vector routing protocol and another one is a global state routing. uh, Reactive routing protocols, where this is known as a also known as on-demand routing protocol. Here the route is discovered only when it is required or needed. The process of route discovery occurs by flooding the route request packets throughout the mobile network. It consists of two major phases, namely route discovery and the route maintenance. So it also has a two types of routing protocols. One is a dynamic source routing protocol. The another one is a ad hoc on-demand vector routing protocol. So this dynamic source routing protocol consists of two phases. The one is a route directory and another one is a route maintenance. Route directory, here this phase determines the most optimal path for the transmission of data packets between the source and the destination mobile nodes. So route maintenance, this phase performs the maintenance work of the route as the topology in the mobile ad hoc network is dynamic in nature, and hence there are many cases of link breakage resulting in the network failure between the mobile nodes. So hybrid routing protocol, it basically combines the advantages of both reactive and proactive routing protocols. One of the most popular hybrid routing protocol is a zone routing protocol. The whole network is divided into different zones and then the position of the source and the destination mobile node is absorbed. So yes, as said, there are various zones in this particular network and how the transmission between those zones takes place. If the source and the destination nodes are present in the same zone, then the proactive routing is used for the transmission of the data packets between them. So these are the advantages of MANET, where the central network administration separation will happen. Each node can play both the roles, that is of router and the host, showing the autonomous nature. Self-configuring and self-healing nodes do not require human intervention. Highly scalable ensures the expansion of an active mobile hub. So disadvantages is nothing but a lack of authorization facilities, more prone to attacks due to limited physical security, high latency. These are the applications mainly used in military and defense operations, healthcare, sensor networks, wireless sensor networks, Internet of Things, etc. So assessment, explain the various characteristics and what is mean by MANET, then what is mean by ZRP, that is zone routing protocol, then what are the applications of MANETs. Thank you.